Hi kids! Today we are going to draw and color a cute ice cream unicorn.
Wow!
Let's start drawing. I start with a cute eye. I draw her unicorn horn. The ear, the shape of her face, her mouth, and an heart-shaped nose. I draw her enchanting mane. Then I draw the waffle cup. Yummy! And I decorate it like this. Finally, tiny hearts all around. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I start with this light pink marker. Red for her nose, yellow for her unicorn horn. And now let's color her mane with the colors of the rainbow. I use red, yellow, green, and blue. Now I use pink for her mouth and her ear. I color the waffle cup with light orange. Finally, I used the color of the rainbow again. Purple. Orange. Red. Light blue. Yellow. Green. Light purple. I like it. Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.